Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a simple landing page using AWeber, perfect for email marketing and promoting your brand. If you don't have an AWeber account yet, you can sign up for free using the link in the description below. Let's get started. First, log into your AWeber account. If you're new to AWeber, you can sign up easily with just your email. AWeber focuses on email marketing, but they also offer an easy-to-use landing page creator that's perfect for anyone wanting to promote products or services online. Once you're on your AWeber dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left side. Expand the Pages and Forms section and look for Landing Pages. Click on that and then click on Create a Landing Page. AWeber offers different templates you can choose from, or you can start with a blank canvas. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a landing page using one of these templates. Let's say you want to create a landing page for a flash sale you're running for a clothing brand. In the template section, type Sale into the search bar. You'll see several template options. I'm going to choose the one that fits our example best. Once I've chosen a template, I'll click Choose and start customizing it. When the template loads, you'll see your editing tools on the left and customization options on the right. First, I'm going to delete the existing logo text and add my own text by dragging a text element from the left-hand side. Let's say my brand is called Lolita Fashion. I'll type that in as the header text, and I can adjust the style by changing the font, size, and alignment. I'm going to make this text larger and center it on the page. Next, I'm going to customize the design. For example, I'll replace the default sale text with something more personalized like flash sale and adjust the colors. Let's make the text black, and I'll change the background of the text box to green to match my brand's theme. You can adjust the line height, text style, and formatting until it looks just right. Below the main sale banner, I'll remove the existing product sections and replace them with an email sign-up form. This is a key part of your landing page since you'll want visitors to sign up to get updates or special offers. You can easily edit the form by dragging and dropping elements from the left side. You can also add a message encouraging people to sign up for updates. To separate sections, I'll add a divider element. I'm going to make it green and a bit thicker to match the theme. After that, I'll add a simple row below the sign-up form that says, Sign up for updates. Again, I'll adjust the style so it matches the rest of the page. Once I'm happy with the layout and design, I'll preview the landing page to see how it looks. You can check both the desktop and mobile previews to make sure it looks good on all devices. If you need to make adjustments, you can go back and edit before publishing. When you're ready to go live, click Save and Exit. After that, click Publish to make your landing page live. You'll get a link to your new landing page and you can click Done. Now, your landing page is online and you can start sharing it with your audience. If you check the link, you'll see how clean and professional the page looks, even if you started with a simple template. You can always go back and update it if needed. Even though AWeber is known for email marketing, they offer great landing page tools. The best part is, you can create landing pages for free using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.